3 eggs, garlic sauce, aged cheese, chia seeds. My mom made me garlic bread. While I'm adding everything, I have the stove on around number 5, so medium, and then once it starts sizzling like this, we put it down to around 2 to 3. So while I'm adding everything, I have it on and the eggs in. So everything is cooking as I'm slowly adding stuff. And now what we do is we press the bread down in. Pepper. And on the top I added onion flakes. And sometimes garlic. Then, by the time I'm done with everything, it's about done. And there we go. Now we clean our pan. And there we go. This is my lunch and, well, it's my brunch, breakfast and lunch.